So if you want to make £1,000 net profit online reselling, Amazon, eBay, whatever it is, listen to this video. Now, I haven't got any sort of bullshit courses to upsell or anything like that. I just want to give as much value as I can in this. If you don't know who I am, I've been selling for around about 4.5, 5 years now. I've done over 1.4 million in sales on my UK and USA Amazon stores combined. And I used to do drop shipping before that and all that sort of stuff as well. This is how to do it. So first of all, you need to pick a strategy and you need to decide what you're going to do. Now, if you're going to do eBay, it's probably going to be reselling, right? It's probably going to be reselling or bundles on there, okay? If you're going to do Amazon, it's going to be a mix of either private label, reselling, arbitrage, retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, bundles, whatever it is. And then whatever you pick, you need to lock into it, whatever it is. Now, by the way, this could be Etsy, it could be eBay, it could be Amazon, whatever it is. You need to lock into that business model when you're doing e-commerce, because here's what's going to happen. The learning that you gain in the first year is going to be so valuable. It's going to be so valuable. Don't expect to make too much money at all in the first year. First year's for learning, second year's for earning, right? Don't expect to make too much money. Take the learnings that you're going to get from any model that you position yourself into. But here's the key. You have to pick one and you have to stick with it, right? For at least 6 months, but ideally a year. I'll give you an example. When I started with Amazon and I stuck with online arbitrage for 1.5 years. Didn't deviate from anything else. Anything else. I was doing online arbitrage only, sole focus. And you know what I did? I started to master that. I'm not saying that's the best in the world. I'm not saying I was making the most profit, but I mastered it. I mastered the platform. I mastered the Amazon platform. I started to master PPC. I started to master sourcing, managing staff, managing the account, managing refunds, reimbursements, and just basically just learning about this online world. Did I make money? I made a little bit, but what I was mainly doing was figuring out how to master that one model. Because if you can't master one model, I see people, especially a couple of people that I do consulting with, coaching with, some people start with me and they're just all over the place. They're scatterbraining all over the place. And that's not an insult. That's just because there's so many opportunities that when you start to master one thing, you start to see the true potential of multiple opportunities all over the place. So the vitally most important thing to do is start with one strategy. Don't get what's the shiny penny syndrome and start doing different things, deviating from the original plan. If you're going to do retail arbitrage, do that. If you're going to do online arbitrage, do that. If you're going to resell stuff on eBay, do that. If you're going to do bundles, private label, do that. It's the best advice I can give you, because you're going to learn so much from that. It almost doesn't matter what model you start with, because let me tell you, there's so many different models that you can do in the e-commerce, Amazon space, whatever reselling space, that you're probably not going to be doing the same strategy in 2 or 3 years' time. But what you will bring forward in 2 or 3 years' time is the skills and the knowledge that you're learning from that particular strategy. It's so much more important than the profit. I've got to get this over, guys. The skills, the knowledge, the confidence that you're going to learn from that first strategy you do is way more important, way more important than any money that you're going to make from it, potentially make from it. You need to master it. And then after a year, you might be, depending on how much you invested, a bit at that £1,000, but a lot of you won't be. And when I say net, I mean net. I mean after prep costs. I mean after advertising. I mean after cost of, I mean everything. That's what I'm talking about net here. So the second stage, ignore the sirens. I live in central London now, just moved here, so there's a few sirens in the flat. Not in the flat, outside the flat, coming through the window. The next stage, to try and get to that £1,000 net profit, is then decide upon the opportunities that are in front of you, what model best suits you and your skill set. I'll give you another example. So I focus on a bit of private label, but mainly unique bundles. And the reason that I do that is because a lot of my skill set is based around creativity. I'm a creative person and I am really good at creating listings, listing images and representing a product in a way to the customer that works. So much so that if you were to launch a similar product to me and you were one of my competitors and you didn't have that skill set, I would beat you simply because my pictures are more effective than yours. And I haven't got a big skill set around systems and operations. Therefore, for me, The unique bundles, the private label, where I can still make good profit margins, but don't have to sell tens and tens of thousands of units to make good money, works good for me. If you're not creative and you're not willing to employ someone that's creative, maybe something like wholesale will work for you. Maybe something like low margin arbitrage, but just doing big volume will work for you, because you have the resources, the know-how, and the capabilities and the desire to lock into these systems and operations behind the team so that you can run a big operation, an operation that I don't have the desire to run, and I don't have the know-how how to create them systems effectively. So you may have the one up on me as another seller because you're really good at systems, and you can figure out things like, for example, having your staff members prep 500 units a day in your warehouse, and you've also decided that you're going to go down the seller fulfilled prime route, and then you're willing to go and negotiate with a delivery company so that you can get your postage down to say £2.60 for next day delivery, when everyone else that's doing prime or loads of other sellers that are selling themselves are paying £3.50. And then all of a sudden that little margin difference there could be a moat around your business where you don't have an issue anymore, and you can make more profit than the others, and you can do volume that way. So you've just got to decide what sort of strategy you want to lock into after that. First year, please lock into a strategy, take the learning. Second year, right, now I've assessed the opportunity. Now I've realized what this opportunity is, and I've learned the skills, the knowledge, made a little bit of money. Now you need to be smart, and you need to strategically put yourself into the model that best suits your skill set and your desires, your long-term goals, okay? And you want to lock into that. And I promise you, if you lock into the second strategy that you've chosen, which by the way, you might be in the right one, which is lucky, but if not, you need to pivot into the right one for you that's good for you long term. I promise you at that point, you're going to start seeing some really significant progress. And that at the end of that year should get you to £1,000 net profit. Now you might be thinking, I don't want to do this for 2 years to only earn 1,000 net profit. Now look, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but realistically, actually, a lot of people, that is going to be the journey, and it's going to take you 24 months to earn 1,000 net profit. But here's what could happen after that. You could start earning in the next year 3,000 net profit, the year after 5,000 net profit, and it could compound really quickly. You could open up in different marketplaces. You could do different strategies. You could do different types of products, because your skill set is going to keep growing and growing and growing. But it's about that consistency. Okay. As I said, if you want to learn more, look at all my YouTube videos. I haven't got any courses or anything like that. I do a little bit of consulting one-to-one. If you think that's for you, and as long as you can afford it, it's very affordable. So I don't do many of them at all, because it's not actually a great use of my time, but I do it for a couple of people that I think I can actually really help, that are actually going to do it. Then I'll do a little bit of affordable consulting one-to-one. You can hit the link below for that. But in terms of learning more, jump in the Facebook group, Mr. Aiden Facebook group. It's all free. I've got loads of free videos on YouTube, everyone. And yeah, just consistency. Just consistency. That's what it is. That's the game. But stop chopping and changing on loads of different models. That's what holds people back. So I hope you enjoyed that. Make sure you like and subscribe, please. But I know YouTubers say that and then you're just like, oh, whatever. I would actually appreciate it if you've got any value, guys. I don't run ads in here. If you can just like it and subscribe it, I really appreciate it. It really helps the channel. I'll see you soon.